is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to do a tutorial for this sunflower bowl set. This is the small set and I have cut these out. To make the flower, I cut them three pieces. And I cut all the others one time. And for this flower center, I plan to use bling instead, so I didn't cut this one. And to make the flower, you need a foam. If you have other things to make the flower, it's okay. And since I don't have that tool, so I use this 3mm foam that I sold in the store. And I use this one and also this molding pen, and this is also available in the store. So this one is ready. For the two, repeat this. And then stick them together. So line them up as the real flowers. And then I add a bling here. I love add the blings on the center. And then fold them a little like this. So this flower is ready. Yeah, I'm not good at making flowers at all, to be honest. Yeah, I always saw that many craft ladies make beautiful flowers, and I'm just hope that one day that I could make flowers that beautiful like them. And then I found a video about making flowers, but they are using those, I don't know how to call that, but they are using some tool. And then I think, yeah, since the foam is also soft thin, so I think that foam is also great to make the flower. So then I use this one, and now I find making these flowers, yeah, not that hard to make. Then let's make the bow part. So this bowl is ready, and then add this one here. So make the flower a little smaller and just fold it like this. So this flower bowl is ready, and I think that is super cute. Also, it's great to add on your project. Yeah. So like this backpack, yeah, it looks like this, and I add this small flower bowl over here, And I think that is super cute. So this is the backpack, and I will link to the backpack in the description box below if you are interested. Yeah, this is the handle, and I add 2 animal dots here. I think this is super cute. So it opens like this. There is pretty much room for you to put things. And this is the inside of the backpack. Yeah, the size is great. And I think the sunflower ad here is so beautiful, right? Yeah. And since we have a small size and a big size, so you can also add this small flower on this big bowl, and this one looks like this. So I think this is also good. And you can also use these sunflower dies separately if you don't want to make a bowl. So I think this set is versatile. So I hope you like this flower bowl, and I think that is great for the springtime, right? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.